allowance to our employee, which is Iron Man, we will import the time attendant. So first, please go to Payroll Management and then select the time attendant. So on the first variable allowance with formula, we will use a time attendant function. So now under this time attendant, we have template. So this template you can download and manually key in by your own, or you can click on configuration. This one, if you want to use a manual, you want to use your own time attendant, or we can say this one is without time attendant, and you can click on import. So import also, you can import, click on import, then you can import the time attendant. Means after you have clicked on the template to download the template, and after you key in the template, then you can click on the import button. So in our case now, for this chapter, we will use the sample template of the time attendant given. So you can go to our education portal, which is edu.autocountsoft.com, and then click on AC Cloud Payroll course, and then after that, you can choose on the template, AutoCount Cloud Payroll Excel template by chapter. So this one file for import, and then we will go to the chapter 8, as this one is a chapter 8, so we will go to the C8 time attendant. So click this. Alright, and automatic it will ask you to save, so you can click on download. So by right under here, we already edit for you for the Iron Man. So Iron Man, we have click on here, or we have entered here the value of total number of day an employee has worked in working day is 20. So this is the formula. If you still remember on the previous task, we have set for the meal allowance is work day times 5. So that's why you have to set the numbers of day under the column of work days. If you put the formula is absent day or working day, so you must put in the respective column. Alright, you don't simply put in the any column as you want, because it won't read the data. As your data, the value or the formula for the meal allowance is workday times 5. So you must put into the workday column. So now I go back to AutoCount Payroll. So if you don't have a template or you want to key in by yourself, you can click on this template to download. As we already have the sample, so straightforward, we click on import. For the period, we choose on April, and the payroll type we want to choose for month and second half. Alright, after that we click on import time attendant. So automatic, it will link to our browser, our computer, and then we can search where we save our backup file. Correction, we can search where we save or where we downloaded our template just now. So we go back to, I click to search our Excel template for the time attendant. So this is the one, I already find it. So C8 time attendant. So this is the one that we're going to import. So I click on this one, and then automatically it will appear like this. It will appear for the workday is 20 days, like this. Alright, so done this one, we just click on save. So data imported successfully, click on continue. Now after we have imported the workday value from time attendant, we have to go back to our payroll process to reset. If you still remember the previous task, every time we make the changes after we have run the payroll process, we need to go back to the payroll and reset the payroll process. Now we go back to the payroll management and click on process payroll. And then we don't need to add new, we just click on edit. Then we go back to detail and we click on this button to expand. So since we only have uploaded or imported our time attendant. So we just come back here and click on reset. So automatic later, if you still remember just now, in the time attendant is 20 days. So 20 days times 5 is 100 ringgit. So later we add on 100 ringgit inside of our allowance. So let's see the result by clicking yes. So our new allowance for Iron Man, so the reset successfully, click on continue. So now you will get the new value of allowance, which is 1,230 ringgit. So if you click on the amount, you will see meal allowance already add on with 100 ringgit. So means that our import template just now is successful, because 20 days times 5 for the formula will equal to 100 ringgit. So this is the amount or the value for the meal allowance, including with others allowance that we already set in the previous task. So total is 1,230 ringgit. So this one we click on close. Okay, done for this one. So we click on back. The next one, for the next task, we will do the variable allowance also with formula, but by using a non-time attendant function. You will learn how to use a non-time attendant function in the next task.